Hello and welcome, it's Silicone. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a quick pour, a dirty cut pour should I call it, and this is on an MDF wood round. So I am going to do the pour on this and then I'm going to create what I hope will be either a cobblestone effect or crocodile skin. I'll let you guys tell me. So I've put purple in there, that is the beautiful turquoise, orange, cool red. I think I put some white and yellow. So it's just loading the cup up ready for my pour out of the cup. So nice and simple, very basic, but let's hope we get some lovely results. Just coating that little round with a little bit of the white to coat it first. It may have been a good idea to actually have gessoed this board because it is just raw, but usually they do turn out okay. Even the dried product is quite lovely. So I'm going to do a jiggle. Or I'm thinking about, will I do a jiggle or will I do a ring pour? Oh, the decisions. That is what I'm kind of doing a wiggle and a ring pour. So we'll see how this one works out. Excuse me. Okay, nothing too special about this one at this stage, but I'm certainly hoping that I'm going to change this very boring pour into something special. Excuse me. What I'm going to do now is I'm just putting in a cup a little bit of the Helmar silicone. That's what I'm showing you right now. And I get just a little skewer and I'm going to dip my skewer in that silicone and I'm hopefully going to create my pebble effect or crocodile skin. So I'll try and speed up this bit because it does actually take quite a long time to go around the whole piece, but you will get the gist of it. But it's very therapeutic, I found, and quite enjoyable to do. This is definitely interesting. It does look like pebbles. Pebbles somewhere, or the old English cobblestone pavements. That's what it reminds me of. The old English cobblestone. So that was interesting. That was no silicone whatsoever or anything in the paint, just my keep it simple pouring medium with my paint, and then the silicone added just in dots afterwards. It's interesting and it's something different. I can see so many different faces in there. Oh my goodness, eyes and all sorts. Okay, my lovelies, thanks so much for joining me. I will be back tomorrow. Bye for now.